Pulse AI isn't just another feature, it's your real-time news assistant built directly in the Opofinance application. Whether you're mid-trade or just analyzing the market, Pulse AI gives you instant AI-powered summaries of the latest economic news, so you don't cut off guard. Let's see how it works. First, open the Opofinance application. From the bottom menu, tap on Service. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select AI Assistant. You'll see a few smart tools here. Tap on Pulse AI. Now choose the symbol you want to analyze. For example, I pick Euro USD. Next, set your time frame. I'll go with 15 minutes for this example. Then tap Generate. In a few seconds, a full AI-generated analysis will appear. Clear, fast, and ready to use. And just like that, you get the key market updates at your fingertips. Try it out inside the Opofinance application and see the difference in trading. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more, and if you had any questions, write me down below. See you next time.